Out here in Camarillo with my boy. About to go over here to this outlet mall.
We're either gonna be happy or we're gonna be very disappointed.
See what the hell they got up in here. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another Throwback Thursday edition. This is from November 8th, 2017. Checking out Camarillo outlets. Wait till you see what we find in this store. Rocking the 2015 Jordan 10 Bulls on Broadway. Very dope shoe. I did sell it a while ago, but it's crazy how much that shoe is going for now if you check out StockX. Let's see, man. I don't know what they might have. They might have something here. I don't know. These outlets, man, they usually have a lot of good selections. It just all depends on what you look for, what you like. You know what I mean? I think they got a lot of fire here. Maybe they do. Let's go look around and see some more. In your size too? What? What? Oh yeah, that's dope. That's dope. Came up on the Air Jordan 6 Sport Blue. The retail or the average resale price right now for these things is about 310 bucks. He found these at the outlet for 89 bucks with the extra 20% off. Hopefully these days can come back. We see the outlets turning up a little bit, but not quite like this. That's hard.
That's a prize right there. I can't be paying though.
Here right now I got size.
I don't think these are 90 though. This can't be 90.
You don't think so?
No.
That's cool.
Look at the box. These probably been sent. These came out a long time ago.
They got some cool stuff. It just depends on what you're looking for. You know, they always got some stuff here at the outlets though. Like these. Those might be the steal. What you got? That's why you go to the outlet to get that crazy discount, you feel me? Yeah, these Jordans right here are pretty cool. I like these Charlotte ones. I like the Charlotte ones, but they got sizes in them too. I don't see a size 13 though. Damn. As you guys can see on display, they had the Jordan 10 Charlotte, dropped in 2016 for $190. They were on sale for 119 bucks. Unfortunately, they did not have a size 13, as you guys can see earlier in the video. Currently, I have the Jordan 10 Bulls on Broadway, so I am a fan of Jordan 10s, but they didn't have them Charlotte colorways in my size. Let me know what you guys think about them, man. The average price for a size 13 of that shoe is about $300 for me now. Amazing how the things have changed. This was 2017. We are now in 2022. So if you can hold a shoe that long, that's the type of profit you can come up on. You feel me? You can't go wrong with these, man. I think they got some good shit here. Especially like these red ones. These red ones, aka the alternate 89 Jordan 4 Retro. Average price for these in my size is going for about $400 to $350 on StockX. This shoe is fire. I was surprised they had them there. I was kind of nonchalant about them though. They had a pretty good amount of sizes, as you guys will see. Nothing, of course, no size 13, 149 as opposed to 190. I definitely should at least grabbed a pair, maybe size swapped or something, but I did not. Let me know if you guys added those to your collection.
This right here though.
They were indeed back to back with it. We got the Jordan 5 Olympics, also dropped in 2016 for $190. Actually, August 20th, 2016 is when it dropped. Dope shoe, fire shoe. A lot of people did pick these up. Let me know if you guys did. No size 13, of course, once again. Average resale price for these in my size is going for about $340. These are clean, look much better after the fact. Hindsight is usually 2020 when it comes to these Jordans. Let me know if you guys have these in your collection or if these were just a straight pass for you.
And then they got these twos.
Jordan 2 Retro Radio Raheem. A lot of people like these shoes. Also dropped January 9th, 2016 for a retail price of $190. I'm not really a fan of Jordan 2s too much. There's only like one or two I like the most. Let me know if you guys own any Jordan 2s in your collection. Average price for these right now, if I were to try to get a size 13, is about $257, but I'm gonna pass. They had them there on sale for $119 as opposed to the normal retail price of $190. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments below. And right next to that, they had the Jordan 1 Retro in the metallic navy colorway, also dropped in 2016 for $160 was the price of it. $160 at the time. Can you believe that? I hope we can go back, but we never will be going back to the time of seeing Jordan 1s for $160. They had them on sale there for, I believe, $109, as you can see. Retail, or actually resale on these now, average, especially in my size, is about $400 plus, bro. Those are pretty clean. Even though I'm not a fan of majority white shoes, these are pretty top tier. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. And if you're somebody who owns a pair, go ahead and shout that out in the comments also. The next Jordan that I came across was a grade school shoe, Jordan 1 Retro, the black metallic, red, bronze, dark gray is the color scheme. That's what it's saying here. The average cost right now is about $180 depending on the size. These dropped in June of 2018 for a retail price of $190. And if my memory serves me correct, they had these for about $79. Definitely have to say that these trips were crazy. You had some of the Chris Pauls that looked decent for some good sale prices. As you guys can see, my boy decided to pull the trigger on them 6s, which are definitely fire, especially to find them that cheap on the back wall with the extra discount. You know he was happy. And he came up on some other things, those 5s that we saw earlier, the Olympics, that had some in his size too, which was dope, man. As you can see, he's trying them on right now. So on the back wall, just chilling out, they had the LeBron 13 Easters. These right now are going for about $200, which is the normal retail price point. But I believe they had them on sale there, as you guys will see in the video, for about $79 with the extra 20% off. You definitely cannot go wrong with that. Let me know what you guys think about the LeBron 13s overall. At the time, I paid no attention, but do you believe what this shoe is? I actually don't know the name of this one. I know it's the Nike Zoom Kobe 5. I'm not sure what this colorway is called, but I know that this is going for a pretty penny now, and they had this there for $99, as you guys can see.
They also had the Nike Kobe 11 EM Low Philippines. You cannot find these anywhere. The last one sold for about $400. That's crazy that they had them. Adding more fuel to the fire, the Barcelona colorway. Now these are going for a ridiculous amounts. This colorway was just sitting there with a lot to spare. I wish I would have picked up one or two then. But you know, it is what it is. They had the 10s. I had to go back and look at those again. I was just kind of surprised at what I saw here. I wanted to go back and just double check on these 4s. These were fire. I like the quality that I saw on them. As you guys can see, the detail, even though the video is kind of tripping a little bit, but you guys can still see the quality on those, as well as the 5s that my boy picked up. Both of these shoes was dope, man. And like I said, these were just chilling at the outlets by the boatload, as you guys saw, in a few sizes, a few different sizes, which was crazy. Same thing with these Kobe's, just chilling, bro. You would never see that now. Hopefully, you know, maybe some things will come back. I do see, like I said earlier in the video, the outlets nowadays have been getting better, and hopefully things like this can somehow creep in there too. Let me know what you guys think, and overall about this video, what do you feel what was the best find, the best steal? Did you guys find any of these shoes at the outlets when you were out there, you know, hunting and looking around? This was crazy. Definitely a different time. Hopefully we can get somewhere close to it. We got the 20% back. Maybe one day the 30% at some point can come back too, or maybe the shelves can just be stocked like this. Like I said, give me all your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. It's your boy Bossco Mitchell. I'm enjoying this, man. This is crazy. And it's always funny and interesting when you see a mid going for an average of about $300. Maybe that's just my size 13, but this shoe was on sale for $89, as you guys see in front of you. Just amazing of the times, man. I cannot repeat that enough. These ones were pretty dope too, with some good quality on them also, and they did have a few different sizes. This might have even been a size 13 if I'm not mistaken, but we passed on them. Wouldn't have done it nowadays, but these are pretty dope too. Let me know what you guys think about these. And you guys all know, if you know me, if they had these in my size, these would have came home. I believe they were like 79 or 89 bucks. I wish, bro. They definitely had some heat for the grade school, the denims. Now, if you guys try to find them, they're going to be a pretty penny, but they had them by the boatload chilling out. Along with these Kobe's now. These dropped in grade school in adult sizes. I believe these are adult sizes. I don't know. I don't remember the grade schools being 135. I believe these are men's sizes. You guys can correct me in the comments below, but $54 as opposed to $135, especially compared to these days, that is ridiculous. And here we go, finally, a unicorn. I say it's a unicorn because it's one of Chris Paul's better looking shoes. One of his shoes that's not a Jordan Retro, that is an actual Chris Paul. This one doesn't look too bad. This was in the outlets how long ago? If you have enjoyed this Throwback Thursday, I appreciate it if you would hit the like button, share the video. Of course, leave comments. All the feedback is appreciated, bruh. I'm about to get out of here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.